Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? Today I am about to unbox this Steel Force Nanocoaster CoasterDynamix model that I got at Dorney Park on opening day. And so anyways, let's just open this, mad dudes. Here's the instructions, as always. Looks like it's going to be an easy one. Here's all the parts and the base. And let me see if that paper is in here. Nope. Alright, so that's basically gonna do it for this unboxing video of this Steel Force CoasterDynamix model that I am about to start building right now. So make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is of me actually building this model, and I will see you in the next.